Hey there! Today I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner on Canva. So if you're a YouTuber and you want to start creating YouTube videos and you have to have a YouTube banner, you've come to the right video. So first off, we're gonna go to Canva. Just search Canva on your any of your search engines. It'll lead you to like this. If you don't have an account yet, they will ask you to create an account. But if you already have an account like I do, it will just automatically lead you to the website. By the way, you can download the application and choose to work in the application, but you can also follow along with me as we create one on the website. So just go to the upper left corner of the website and search for YouTube banner. This is to have the size of a YouTube banner that we can work on. So just click YouTube banner. And once you're in there, we can proceed with the templates. If you want to start from scratch, that's totally fine. You can definitely do that. But for me, I don't want to do that because I don't really have a YouTube account to create a banner on. I'm just sharing with you how to do that. So I'm just going to show you how we can do that with the templates. So let's say, for example, I have a cat channel. So the website, the YouTube banner can be like that. So you can edit, by the way, the background. So let's say you want to edit the background, you can go to elements, then say cats. Okay, let's say I'm going to edit this with a paw, the pause there, and then add. So I want to remove these and change into these. Okay, so I want it to look more cat-like. So I'm gonna have to duplicate these and remove the other ones. Just copy and paste the elements that you like. Adjust it here. For let's say my channel name is Forever Cat Lover. Okay, so I'll just adjust the font size to like 4144, but I can do like 200. Okay. And then if I want to edit this one as well and remove it here, we can change that to this face. Okay. And just adjust it here. And let's say I'm fine with it. I don't want to add more. So if also you can add like follow buttons or something like that, the icons. So here I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. Just to put it here on the button part. Okay. That's too ugly. Let me just edit that one out. Let's say follow. Okay, I think this one's better. Then you can do the transparency, change the transparency to make it blend even more with. Okay, okay, let's say I want to remove it more. So transparency, no, not that. Okay, let's say I will remove the background. Okay, and then I'll edit the transparency once more to a higher one because the background has been removed. It's actually really better if you have a premium account, but of course you can work on um the things that you can choose from with not the premium account. Anyway, if I'm already good with that, I think that's already the YouTube banner that I like. I can go ahead and click share. Click download, choose the PNG for best quality, then hit download. And that's it. You already have a YouTube banner that you can use for your YouTube videos. So anyway, if you want to learn more, if you want to know more about Canva or any other things that you want a tutorial of, just let us know and we will create more videos for you. Okay, that's all for now. Bye!